Tori story.
Tonight at 10 on the Weather Channel. Now your local on the 8s.
A winter storm watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 34 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, scattered flurries, high 39. Winds light and variable. For tonight, snow showers and a steadier snow developing late. Low 30. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 1 to 2 inches. On Monday, snow likely. High 33. Snow accumulating 5 to 8 inches. The week ahead. Traffic conditions around our area.